Welcome to the Spy Collection. I'm Anastasios and today we'll talk about Germany's Federal Intelligence Service, the BND. Although not identical, you can think of BND as Germany's equivalent of the CIA. BND is one of the largest intelligence agencies in the world, but it's not as widely known outside of the spy world. You could argue that this is a good thing for an intelligence agency, but on the other hand, it makes certain things harder. One of them being recruiting people. Although very low profile, BND occasionally appears in some events in Germany in an attempt to recruit the next generation of German spies. Our today's artifact comes from such a recruitment event from Germany. The attendees were receiving those bags with the agency's new logo. As we read from DPA International from 2024, with a new cryptic logo, lots of bass in the soundtrack, a bit of Bond, Germany's foreign intelligence agency is stepping out of the shadows with a fresh, modern image to attract new talent. The trademark of Germany's foreign intelligence agency, the BND, has been one of secrecy for decades. However, the BND recently launched a campaign to revamp its public image. This move is part of a strategy to compete with other employers and security agencies for skilled workers. From mystery to brand is a catchphrase at the agency which reveals the mission's aim. The spies have been secretly fine-tuning their new image for about a year and a half. The root of that emblem comes from the coat of arms of Germany that all German government entities use a variation of it. Here's the one that BND used before the introduction of this modern version of it in 2024. Similarly, this bag includes a promotional pen with the same 2024 BND logo. And this sticker with one of the missions of BND saying we are searching for terrorists, since counter-terrorism is one of the top missions of the agency. This was a major recruitment campaign that you could see all across Germany in 2024, as you can also see on your own from those examples. In case you are curious, the MWD means positions were open for men, women, and diverse groups. The next item included was this cloth that has a link to the career page of BND and the message, "Find out." And the same design was also used in this notepad, but this time with a reference to the main website of the agency. And the last part was this promotional flyer, saying, BND, the Foreign Intelligence Service, the world in view, find out more now. This 35-page flyer provides a gentle introduction to BND, its mission, structure, and some key facts. And that was our today's artifact, some memorabilia items that demonstrate the efforts of a massive spy agency to be more open in order to attract new talent. Balancing public exposure and secrecy is a challenging topic for all intelligence services around the world. You need to tell enough to attract new recruits, but not enough to risk the agency's future mission successes. An issue that most organizations outside of the spy world rarely have to face, and another aspect on why nothing's as it seems.